Hi friends, welcome to day 7 of Stretching Made Easy. By this point, I hope that you're starting to see and feel a little bit of a difference in your body from stretching every day in a row for 6 days already. I'm excited for day 7, so when you're ready, meet me on your yoga mat. Today we're going to begin in downward facing dog. Plant your palms down on the mat, come to plank pose, and then send your hips up and back behind you. Press down through your palms to send your chest towards your thighs and let your head and neck hang heavy completely so that the crown of your head is down towards the earth. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Now very gently begin to pedal out your down dog by bending and straightening one leg at a time. Feel that deep hamstring stretch in each leg as you sway from side to side. Continue to breathe. Inhale and exhale. And then bring your down dog to stillness. Inhale your right leg high. Exhale, scorpion your down dog, which means bend your right knee and stack your right hip over your left. Try to equally distribute your weight between both of your hands. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale, low lunge. Step your foot through between your palms. Drop down your back knee, untuck your back toes. Inhale, rise up for kneeling crescent. And exhale, kneeling crescent, back bend. Bring your elbows down so your arms are making a W. Lift your chest up. Breathe here. Inhale. Exhale. Try to allow your hips to sink forward. Inhale. Exhale. One more round of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, kneeling crescent. Exhale, half splits. Plant your palms down onto the earth or spider your fingers down and shift your weight back, lifting the toes of your right foot up towards the sky. Take a deep breath in, back off the stretch a little bit, and then exhale, allow yourself to sink down towards your leg. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, sink down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, sink down. And just breathe here. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale, low lunge. Crawl your hands up. And exhale, runner's lunge. Heel toe your right foot out to the edge of your mat so that on your mat it's your left hand, your right hand, and then your right foot. From here, you can play around with lowering down to your forearms, but if that is just not happening for you, allow your head and neck to hang heavy as you just breathe here. Try to allow your hips to sink down toward the earth so that you're not taking away from your chances of benefiting from a really good stretch here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more round of breath. Very gently heel toe your foot back between your palms. Inhale, tuck your back toe and lift your knee up off the mat. And exhale to high plank. And then when you're ready, send your hips up and back for downward facing dog. Take just a moment here to pedal out your down dog, bending and straightening one leg at a time. Inhale. And exhale. Bring your down dog to stillness. Now we'll move through the other side. Inhale your left leg high, and exhale, scorpion your down dog, bending your left knee and stacking your left hip over your right. Remember to try to equally distribute your weight between both of your hands here. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more breath in. And exhale, low lunge. Step your foot through between your palms. Drop down your back knee. Untuck your back toes. Inhale, kneeling crescent. Exhale, baby back bend. Goal post your arms behind you, making a W with your arms. Inhale. Exhale, allow your hips to sink forward a little bit more. You can do it. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath in. Exhale. Inhale, kneeling crescent. Exhale, half splits. Plant or spider your hands down on the earth. Send your weight back, allowing your left toes to lift up towards the sky. Inhale back off the stretch, and then exhale, sink down just a little bit. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, sink down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, sink. Now just rest here with your breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, low lunge, crawl your hands back up. And exhale, runner's lunge. Heel toe your left foot out to the edge of your mat so that it's your left foot, your left hand, and then your right hand. If you played around with lowering down to your forearms on the other side, you can try that on this side as well. Otherwise, just allow your head and neck to hang heavy and just breathe here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One more full cycle of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale your foot, heel toeing your foot back between your palms. Tuck your back toe. Exhale, lift your knee up off the mat. Send your other foot back for high plank. And when you're ready, move to downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, play around with bending and straightening one leg at a time. Inhale and exhale. Great job. When you're ready, gently drop down to your knees. Great job finishing day 7 of Stretching Made Easy. There's just a few more days left. I can't believe how fast the days are going by. I'll see you tomorrow, yogis. Namaste.